What is health insurance? Health insurance helps cover the cost of private treatment for pre-agreed conditions. You'll sometimes hear it called private medical insurance (PMI). But in most cases the product is the same, although exactly what's covered will vary from policy to policy. You'll pay a monthly or annual premium, and when you need to access private medical care, your insurance policy will cover some or all of these costs. Double-check you don't already have health insurance through your employer before taking out your own cover. Some companies offer private healthcare as part of a benefits pack. It tends to be for the employee only, but sometimes it extends to your family too. Do I need health insurance? It's up to you. Health insurance gives you access to treatment quickly at private hospitals, skipping waiting lists or accessing drugs that aren't available through the NHS. Depending on how extensive a cover is, whether you're trying to get cover for a pre-existing medical condition or whether you want to add your family, private medical cover can get expensive. If you're considering going private for particular reasons, check policy documents when you are comparing insurers to make sure you're covered for what you need. Which health insurance is best to take? Do you need health insurance in the UK? The government always advises visitors to the UK to take out travel or health insurance. This means that you can reclaim any healthcare costs you are required to pay from your insurer. Check your insurance has the necessary healthcare coverage to make sure you can get the treatment you need during your visit. How much is the amount of health insurance in the UK? According to our research, the average cost of an individual private health insurance plans it's at around £85 per month or £1,020 per year. How much is health insurance in UK per month? On average, a health insurance policy in the UK costs £86.07 per month, accurate as of February 2022. However, this average is based on people between 20 and 70 years old. If you are under 50, your policy will likely be less than the average. Can a foreigner get health insurance in the UK? There are different kinds of UK health insurance plans for foreigners. If you're staying in the country for less than 6 months, you'll need personal travel insurance, which includes medical cover. If you're an expat living in the UK of any nationality, you need to think about separate health insurance. Do UK citizens pay for health insurance? All English residents are automatically entitled to free public health care through the National Health Service, including hospital, physician, and mental health care. The National Health Service budget is funded primarily through general taxation. Is health care expensive in UK? The UK has a free publicly funded healthcare system, the National Health System (NHS). The NHS is different from many healthcare systems elsewhere as it is funded through taxation rather than health insurance. There is also a smaller private healthcare sector that people can choose if they wish. How do I get private healthcare? How do I get private healthcare? You usually need to visit your GP first and be referred to private healthcare. If you're interested in going private, just ask your GP if it's an option, and they should be able to give you more details. Ask your GP for a referral to a private specialist. How do I pay for private healthcare UK? How to pay for private healthcare. Asterisk private medical insurance. Asterisk self-pay. Asterisk personal medical loan. Asterisk speak to your NHS GP or a private GP. Asterisk attend an outpatient appointment with a consultant. Asterisk get a fixed price quote from the hospital. Asterisk your consultant may be able to carry out the operation in Ant's hospital. Asterisk book your surgery. How do I get private healthcare? How do I get private healthcare? You usually need to visit your GP first and be referred to private healthcare. If you're interested in going private, just ask your GP if it's an option and they should be able to give you more details. Ask your GP for a referral to a private specialist. How do I go private instead of FNHS? If your GP thinks you need to see a specialist and you want to pay for it privately, they can write a letter of referral to a private consultant or specialist explaining your condition and your medical history. You may be charged for this. How much does the NHS cost per person? Healthcare expenditure in 2020. Current spending on healthcare in the UK totaled £257.6 billion, equating to £3,840 spent per person. How much tax will I pay on private medical insurance UK? Firstly, HMRC taxes private health insurance differently, depending on whether it's a personal plan or group health insurance your employer offers. You're right in that you would have paid tax on your company health insurance scheme. However, as a general rule of thumb, there's no tax due on a personal policy. Is private insurance better than? Health insurance gives you several advantages. Plus, NHS offers free care. Health insurance usually offers treatment in an environment that feels more comfortable, like a hotel, rather than a hospital, with means of choice, private rooms, and en-suite facilities as standard. Can a foreigner get health insurance in the UK? There are different kinds of UK health insurance plans for foreigners if you're staying in the country for less than 6 months. You'll need personal travel insurance, which includes medical cover. If you're an expat living in the UK, of any nationality, you need to think about separate health insurance. Is health insurance in the UK free? Most UK residents are entitled to free healthcare from NHS, but many people also take out private medical insurance, which covers the costs of being treated by private healthcare providers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video.